Hey, this is just a quick one. If you're trying to use an extension and you're getting an error, for example, for perspective, you get something like no module named tinycss. This is probably because you have Python installed, but independently from Inkscape, as I did. In that case, go to inkscape.org, download the current stable version or whatever you have, and it will pick you the right Windows package. And then within that, you press Next, go to Change, and select Python, and install. And it's going to take a little bit. All right, done already. And checking the path, I see a python.exe now. I'm actually not sure whether I had to restart it or not, but I did so anyways. And if we go to extension, modify path, perspective. All right, now it works. Okay, that's it. Nice. If your extensions fail, it's because something's wrong with Python and maybe you just deselected it during installation. So get the installer and select Python and it will be fine. Until next time, ciao.